In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence space. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which export format to choose based on your needs. First, open your browser and head to start.atlassian.com. This is the Atlassian home where you can access Confluence and your other Atlassian products. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions because exporting a space may require space admin access depending on your organization's settings. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and find the space you want to work with. If you don't see it immediately, use the space list or search to locate it. When you find the space, look for the three dots next to its name. Click those dots to open the context menu, then select Space Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage that space's configuration and content tools. In the Space Settings page, look at the left panel and expand the General section if it isn't already expanded. There, you'll see an option called Export Space. Click that to open the export options. This page is where you choose how you want your content packaged. You can select from several file formats, typically including PDF, CSV, XML, and HTML. Here's how to think about them. PDF is great for a polished, read-only snapshot you can share or archive. CSV is useful if you're exporting specific structured information for spreadsheets or reporting. XML is designed for backups or migrations, especially when you need to preserve structure and metadata for import elsewhere. HTML creates a browsable version of your space that you can open offline in a web browser. Keep in mind that available formats may vary based on your plan and permissions. Next, choose whether you want to export all content in the space or only selected content. Exporting all content captures everything in one go. Selecting specific content lets you focus on particular pages or sections, which is handy for targeted reviews or handing off a subset of documentation. When you're ready, click Export Space. The system will prepare your file, and the time it takes will depend on how much content you're exporting. Once the export is complete, download the file and save it somewhere you can easily find it. It's a good practice to label it clearly and store it in a secure location. That's it. You've successfully exported your Confluence space. Thanks for watching.